friends! Welcome to another video. Kelly the Human here. That was a terrible intro. So for starters... Oh god. So in this video, I am going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I did it yesterday, and I did record a video, an 18-minute long video around that, but I messed up somehow so bad that I guess the video deleted. So I was originally going to be doing this in two parts, but I messed up some really bad. I am so sorry. Yesterday I went over that, Yesterday I went over four Chef Ramsey meals. 4 different ones. The pot pie, 4 cheese, macaroni, the Wellington bites, which weren't as bad as I thought they were. I've never been one for mushrooms, but I tried it and it was really good. I think it was really good. I didn't end up finishing the dish because my stomach was full by then. It did not like me at all. Yeah. I went over 4 yesterday. The video gone. I'm sorry. So hopefully I'll make it up for today with this one. Today I have 3 cheese stuffed pizza bites. Pizza rolls are my favorite, so I'm looking forward to this. They're one of my favorites. Fried chicken bites. And slow roasted beef and red wine sauce. I don't drink wine, so hopefully we'll see. I already have one already pre-made because I was hoping to record this earlier, but oh well. I did it because there was too much noise earlier, so here we are now. But I am going to get something out of the way. I don't actually need glasses to see. I have great vision, really great. They're fine. I wear them because I think they're cute, I think glasses are cute. Oh god, this is terrible. Let's dive in, shall we? Very crunchy, very crispy. Mozzarella, provolone, and Parmesan cheese with marinara sauce. So good. Very crunchy. The stuffing is really good, really juicy, very creamy. Oh yeah. I'm not the best when it comes to describing things, like, out of words, like speaking, verbally. When it comes to writing, when I type my stories, those are good. I can do with that, but when it comes to speaking, less so. I really hope I don't mess this video up as well. Hold on. Oh, spicy Korean style. Okay, I'm a little hesitant on this one now because I don't do spicy food. It's one of my least favorites. But I will give it a shot, Oh boy. Well, let's get to cooking them. That ordered. Holy farms. This whole time I thought that was pot. I thought I paused. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh no. Oh god. I am so sorry. I thought this was paused. Oh no. I'm an idiot. I am so sorry. Alright, so the next meal has finished cooking. Now again, I am not one for mushrooms, but I am willing to try it. Give it a shot. The Wellington ones, they were mixed in with the food. They were mixed in with it, so I maybe not been able to taste it. I believe this one had like straight mushrooms, so get my phone out of the way. Got a fork. Drink. We got meat, potatoes, and I believe the mushrooms were somewhere. Thought I saw them. These ones had, yeah, mushrooms. Oh, but let's start off with the meat. Hot. Very juicy. Potatoes. Dip that in. Hot. Hot. Very hot. Yep. Yeah, not sure what to say. I don't know how to describe things. I wanted to try it. I think I may have found a mushroom. Another one. Not bad. At least I'm assuming those were mushrooms. Hey, we got ourselves a little carrot. Yeah, the juice in here, it's really good. Very tasty. Very chewy. Alright. Let's get the next one cooking. It's gonna be a while. Alright, I have it. And the smell. Yeah, it's strong. Woo! It's got a strong smell to it. That is strong. So this, I drenched the sauce all over this one. All over this little pile, big pile right here. But I left 2 on the out so I can try those without, the sauce. See what that's like without the sauce. Very chewy. Very. Really good. That's the crispy dark meat chicken. Really good. Now I am so worried, man. I don't like spicy food, so I'm worried. Spicy Korean style sauce is what's, on this plate. And I put a lot on it. Let's dip this in there, see what that's like. Bon appetit. I'm scared, man. Oh yeah, that heat kicks in right away. I can taste it. Not bad, but I can feel it on my tongue, man. That is, wow. That is kicking in. That is starting to kick in. Okay, yep. Holy fudge. Not bad, but the heat. Wow. You can really feel the heat after a couple seconds. It coated my tongue in heat. I can kind of still feel it, but god dang. And that was just a small amount. That was like a small amount, a little that I dipped in. That is hot. Holy cow. Yeah. Not sure what else to do here because I already cooked all the other ones yesterday, which I already explained at the beginning of the video. And I'm really sorry I messed up. I was really hoping to do a 2-parter, This is something I've been wanting to do for a little while. Yeah. But, let me know if you want to see me do more of this, like, subscribe, comment, usual poo. Usual silly stuff. It's really nice out the weather. I would turn the camera that way, but I am very worried because, I don't know, I had it down here, and it was aiming at me. The glare, you couldn't even see anything. All you saw was like this white glare covering the whole screen. Yesterday it wasn't as bad, even though it was cloudy and a little rainy. Today it's absolutely gorgeous out. Let me try something. No, I can't tell if it gets it or not. I couldn't tell. That is absolutely beautiful. Blue skies and the cloud right up there. I got a bird trying to make a nest over on this railing. Yeah, don't know what else to say. I'm probably not going to finish this because I don't do spicy food. But it's not bad. This stuff is really good. I'd say out of the three of these, slow roasted beef was my favorite. It's pretty good. Yeah. The news of like my books and such. I am working on the teaser trailer. I am like working on making it, see what works for it. On the Chosen One and the Failure sequel. I am working on the teaser trailer. The book itself is not done. I can assure you, it's not even. I'd say maybe about halfway done with the book. But I have enough to where I think I can make a working teaser trailer. I really hope you guys like it. And I hope you like this video. I had fun. And, yeah. Don't know what else to say. Like and subscribe. Dang, what was I say? What do I usually say at the end of videos? Like and subscribe for more content that will take centuries to produce, because I don't know when I'll get the chance to do another video. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this channel. It's not my main job, I can assure you. Because I doubt I'm gonna be famous anytime soon. Which I don't want to be, because I'm terrified of fame. Terrified of attention. But, you know, I'm hoping something will happen with this channel. You know? Anyways, have a lovely day, guys. You know? Have a lovely day. You're all beautiful people. That was weird. I don't know. Good luck. Bye!